Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a lower control arm on a Nissan Rogue. First, prioritize safety by properly lifting and securing your vehicle with jack stands. Gather all necessary tools, including a socket set, torque wrench, and a pry bar. Understanding the location of the control arm and its attachment points is key to a smooth process. This preparation ensures you are ready for the task ahead. Now let's get to removing the old control arm. Begin by taking off the front wheel to give yourself ample space. Next, carefully separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle. This often requires a ball joint separator or a pry bar. Finally, unbolt the control arm from its two main attachment points on the vehicle's subframe. Once all bolts are out, you can extract the old arm. With the old arm out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new lower control arm into its mounting points on the subframe. Insert the bolts, but only hand tighten them for now. Next, reattach the ball joint to the steering knuckle, making sure it seats correctly. This step is crucial for proper steering and suspension function. Double-check all connections before proceeding. To finish up, reinstall the wheel and gently lower your Nissan Rogue. Now, it's critical to fully tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. This ensures safety and longevity. Finally, a professional wheel alignment is highly recommended. This will correct any changes in suspension geometry, ensuring your vehicle drives straight and handles properly, giving you peace of mind on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.